Perception and welcome to our maths lesson today. Today we are going to be learning, this is our learning objective, I can estimate. That's what we're going to be learning about. So by the end of today's lesson you should be able to estimate. That's a funny word, isn't it? Estimate. My turn, estimate. Your turn? Do you know what the word estimate means? It's a tricky one, isn't it? Shall I tell you? Okay, so when we estimate, we make a sensible guess. We can estimate numbers or we can estimate anything, basically. So when we were talking about our story this week and we were thinking about the three little pigs and their houses, we had a guess, didn't we? It was a sensible guess that the stick house and the straw house would not be strong enough to not be blown down by the wolf. We were estimating that they would fall down. We made a guess that the brick house was too strong to be blown down by the wolf. So we were estimating without even knowing it. Today we're going to do some estimating with number. So we're going to make some sensible guesses. I am going to make a sensible guess about how many star jumps I can do in 30 seconds. How many star jumps do you think I can do in 30 seconds? We need to make a sensible guess. If you said 1,000, I think that's probably not very sensible. I can't do 1,000 star jumps in 30 seconds. That would be too many. How many do you think I can do? Let's make a sensible guess. So I'm going to draw a star because I'm going to do star jumps, okay? And my estimate is that I can do, sensible guess, 22. Okay, so I'm going to write 22, a 2 and a 2 because I said the word 20 and a 2 for 2, 22. So I'm estimating I can do 22 star jumps in 30 seconds, okay? So I'm going to set 30 seconds on my phone as a timer and you can count how many I do, okay? Ready? Oh! How many did I do? Was it 22? Or was it more? It was more. I think I did 35. I was counting while I was jumping, but my brain was getting tired. You might have counted differently. I can watch back later and check how many I did. Checked how many star jumps I did. I counted each jump once, and I did 40 star jumps in 30 seconds. So I'm going to write check here. Because when we estimate, we are making a sensible guess. This was my sensible guess. But I did 40. So when I counted, I know I did 40. What numbers do I need to write the number 40? A 4 and a 0. Good job. A 4 and a 0. 40. So was my estimate a sensible estimate? What do you think? Was it close to the number 40? Is 22 close? It's not very close, is it? But it was sensible. It wasn't 700. That wouldn't be sensible, would it? Because that's not possible. It was a sensible estimate, but it wasn't very close. You might have guessed a closer number, which means your estimate would be better than mine. Okay, let's have another look at estimating. I have got a cup here with some cubes in. Can you estimate, remember that's making a sensible guess, how many cubes are in this cup? We don't count them, not yet. We're estimating, we're making a sensible guess about how many are here. What do you think? Write down the number that you think are in my cup. I'm going to do the same. So I'm going to draw cubes like that in the cup. And I'm going to do a 1 here because we might do this more than once. So I'm going to draw a number 1. How many do I estimate? My sensible guess. How many do I think might be in here? There's definitely more than 1. And there's probably less than 20. My sensible guess is going to be 10. Do you think there's more or less than 10? Write down your number. I'm going to guess 10, but you can guess a different number. It doesn't matter. I'm going to guess 10. So I'm going to write the number 10 under my estimate title. I'm going to guess that there are 10 cubes in my cup. What number did you guess? Have you written it down? So now, how do I find out how many there really are? What do I need to do? I need to count them, don't I? So if I pop that on there, let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The cup is now empty. How many did we count? 12. Let's write 12 in our check column. 12. I need a 1 and a 2 to write the number 12. So, was your estimate close to the number 12? Was it? Good job. What do you think about my estimate? My estimate was 10. Is 10 close to 12? It is, isn't it? So my estimate was a good estimate. It was a sensible guess. Okay, let's have a look at this cup now. So I've put the 12 cubes back into here. Okay, so that's this one. I've also got this one. Which one has more? This, you're absolutely right. This one has more. So we know when we're estimating, we're making our sensible guess. We can use our knowledge that we've already counted that there are 12 in here, and we know that this is less. So we know that the number, our estimate, is going to be less than 12. How many do you think? How many are you going to estimate that there are in here? We know it's less than 12, remember? So I'm going to draw a number 2 here because this is the second time we've done cubes in a cup. And quickly draw a cube and a cup so that we know what we're estimating. How many do I estimate? Have you come up with your number? How many do you think are in that cup? Have you made your sensible guess? I'm going to estimate that there are, I know it's less than 12. I'm going to estimate 6. 6 is definitely less than 12. 6 is smaller than 12, isn't it? So my estimate is that there are 6 cubes in here. 6. What do I need to do to find out how many there really are? I need to count them. You're right. So ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The cup is now empty. We counted 8. So under our check column, we know that there are 8. Make us and do not wait. That's the way we make it 8. So I estimated that there were 6 and there were actually 8. Was 6 a sensible guess? Yes, it was. It was less than 12 and it was quite close to 8. How many did you estimate? Did you get closer than I did? I would love to see your estimation numbers that you did when we were doing this. Now, I wonder whether you can have a look around your house. Maybe Mummy can put some pasta in a cup or in a bowl, and I wonder whether you can estimate how many you can see. Now, remember, when we estimate, it has to be a sensible guess. Okay, we can't get silly with it because that's not estimating. If I am estimating how many sweeties are in this box, it's only a little box, isn't it? So there can't be 7,000 in here. So it needs to be sensible. We need to think about what we already know about big, small, full and empty, and more and less. And think about that and use that to help us make a sensible guess. Okay? I might give you some pictures for you to estimate how many there are. But remember, when we're estimating, we don't count straight away. We are making a sensible guess first. Okay, I'll see you really soon. Bye.